Stop deleting your favorite games just to make room for a new update. You are running out of space because PS5 games are massive, but I am going to show you how to use an external drive to solve this forever. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, we are breaking down the 10 best solutions for moving your games to an external drive without any hassle. The PS5 internal SSD is incredibly fast, but it is way too small for a modern library. By offloading games to external storage, you keep your internal drive free for the titles you are playing right now. Step 1. Choose the right hardware. Make sure your external drive supports super speed USB of at least 5 gigabits per second and has a capacity between 250 gigabytes and 8 terabytes. Step 2. Use the correct port. Always plug your drive into the USB Type-C port on the front or the Type-A ports on the back. Do not use the front Type-A port, as it is not fast enough for game storage. Step 3. Format the drive for PlayStation. Go to your settings, select storage, and then choose USB extended storage. Select format as USB extended storage to prepare the drive for your games. Step 4. Move PS4 games first. You can play PS4 games directly from the external drive. This is the best way to save your high-speed internal storage for native PS5 titles. Step 5. Store your PS5 games. While you cannot play PS5 games directly from a USB drive, you can store them there. This is much faster than re-downloading a 100 gigabyte game from the internet later. Step 6. Enable automatic installation. Go to your storage settings and set the external drive as the default install location for all PS4 games. This keeps your internal drive clean from the start. Step 7. Select multiple games at once. In the storage menu, use the Select Items to Move option. This allows you to queue up several games at once so you do not have to move them one by one. Step 8. Safely disconnect your drive. Never just pull the cable out. Go to the USB extended storage menu and select Safely Remove from PS5 to prevent data corruption or file loss. Step 9. Manage your power settings. Go to System Settings and then Power Saving. Set your USB ports to always supply power in rest mode, so your game transfers can finish while the console is asleep. Step 10. Sync your save data. Remember that game saves always stay on the internal SSD even when the game moves. Ensure your cloud sync is active so your progress is safe regardless of where the game is stored. Here's a bonus pro tip. If you use a solid-state drive instead of a traditional hard drive for your external storage, your PS4 games will load significantly faster, and moving PS5 games back and forth will take half the time. If you face any difficulty getting your drive recognized or moving your files, please comment below. I am staying on top of the chat and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this video helped you expand your library, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. Your storage is ready for action, and I will see you in the next one.